ladies and gentlemen, I will present our research with the title Analysis of Physicochemical and Sensory Quality of Chia Seed Sport Energy Gel, Salvia hispanica during storage. Our team are Yanesti Nur Afianda Lestari and Eko Farida. Chia seed, Salvia hispanica L, is one of food ingredient that can use as a source of energy and nutrient to formulate sport drink. Chia seed have a small oval shape, usually black, gray or brown with few white spots. In the water, chia seed can expand and produce clear white mucus. Chia seeds are also used in the manufacture of certain food products and function as thickener, emulsifier, or stabilizer. Chia seeds are high in fiber, protein, omega-3, gluten, rich in vitamin and mineral. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidant, namely polyphenol, tocopherol, and isoflavone. Next. Athletes need sport drink during hard physical activity to avoid hyponatremia, which cause fatal because of a lack of sodium level in the blood. The first sport drink produced for the football team in Florida is Gatorade, which has liquid form. Sport drinks are now growing in another form such as sport gel. Sport gel has gooey consistency and concentrated carbohydrate, usually available in a single pack. Next. The aim of our study is to develop and produce sport energy gel based on chia seeds and hydrocolloid addition, which has the best physicochemical and sensory quality. This research conducted in a complete random design study which consists of two factors, hydrocolloid type and storage temperature. The hydrocolloid type factor consists of three levels, xanthan gum, pectin, and carboxymethylcellulose, while the storage temperature factor consists of two levels, room and refrigerator. Each treatment level replicates 3 times, so that there are total 18 treatments. Next. This is outline of our study. First is production of sport energy drink. The main ingredient used in the preparation of sport energy gel are organic chia seed purchased at local supermarket. Other ingredients used as beverage composition are dragon fruit, juice, and cucumber. Sport energy gel that have formulated and added hydrocolloid then stored for 7 days at different storage temperature, which room temperature and refrigerator temperature. The observation of the characteristic change occur 4 times. There is the day before storage and during storage at day 3, 5, and 7. The physicochemical analysis include acidity and total soluble solid, while the sensory analysis include organoleptic characteristic and homogeneity. Next, this is the composition of chia seed-based sport energy gel. Next, the result of our study will present by Yanesti Nur Afianda Lestari.
Okay, thank you. I will continue the presentation about the result of this study. Okay, the first result is about pH change during storage. The measurement of the pH value of the sport energy gel sample over a 7-day storage period shows a sharp decline in the first and second days of storage in all samples. The sport energy gel with the addition of xanthan gum that stores at room temperature indicates a slight increase in pH value on the fourth day until the 6th day and decrease on the 7 days of storage. The sample stored in the refrigerator temperature shows that its pH value continues to decline until the 7th day of storage. The pH value of a sport energy gel with the addition of pectin stored at room temperature still shows a decline in pH until day 6 and a slight increase on the 7th day of observation. As we see in the table, the different tests result using the independent test show no significant difference in the pH value between the sport energy gel stored at room temperature or refrigerator temperature. However, the different test result for each day of observation show that there is a significant difference between the pH value of sport energy gel stored at room temperature and refrigerator temperature. Next, it's about total soluble solid change during storage. The result, the measurement of the total soluble solid of sport energy gel during the 7-day storage period result in a sharp decrease on the first day in the sample of the add xanthan gum, both stored in room temperature and refrigerator temperature. Sport energy gel added pectin and CMC showed a decrease in total soluble solid, but not as sharp as the sport energy gel added xanthan gum. Sports energy both are stored at room temperature and in the refrigerator temperature, shows a consistent decrease in total soluble solid until the 7th day of observation. And the table, the result of the different tests using the independent test showed no significant differences in total soluble solid between the sport energy gel stored at room of refrigerator temperature. However, different test results for each day of observation indicate that there is a significant difference in total soluble solid between sport energy gels stored at room and refrigerator temperature on the 3rd day of observation. The total soluble solid of sport energy gel stored at room and the refrigerator temperature on the 1st and 2nd day observation showed no significant difference. And about sensory or organoleptic change during storage, the characteristic of organoleptic sport energy gel stored at room temperature like more rapidly decrease when compared with the sport energy gel stored at the refrigerator temperature. The characteristic of sport energy gel stored in refrigerators tend to be more stable and decrease lower during storage periods. And the homogeneity change during storage, based on the observation, the results show that the homogeneity of the sport energy gel stored at room temperature or refrigerator temperature decreased during the storage period. The sport energy gel that stores at room temperature indicate the agglomeration of chiastic on the surface on day 3 of storage and increase until 7-day storage. The sport energy gel that stores at the refrigerator temperature also begins to show a reduction in chiastic homogeneity in the base of the bottle and on day 3 of storage and consistent until the 7th day of storage. There was no stability in the gel homogenized. The sport energy gel product in this study associated with the low number of hydrocolloid added. Okay, and the conclusion of this study, 7 days of storage at room temperature and in the refrigerator temperature can significantly lower the pH value and also the total soluble solid. The sport energy gel that stored at the refrigerator temperature also decreased sensory quality but appears lower, and the gel product's homogeneity also experienced a noticeable decrease in both the sport energy gel that stores at room temperature or refrigerator temperature. And the suggestion for the next study, there is need for the research to study appropriate processing methods to enhance better the physicochemical and sensory characteristics and the longer shelf life of the energy gel, and that there is a need to test advanced sport energy gel product in vivo and examine their impact on living beings. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.